Hi everyone, here we've got Xiaomi Redmi Note 90 and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So firstly, let's enter the camera app obviously, and we have to switch to the video mode. Let's tap on it, and since you can see this red circle inside the shutter button, it means that for sure you've just changed the mode. Now we can enter the settings, which are in the right upper corner, and as you can see here we've got the resolution option right at the top of this bar, and we've got 4 different options from which we can choose. We've got 720p option with 30 frames per second. We've got 1080p, actually 2 options with 1080p. The only difference is with the frames per second and also the 4K. So all you have to do in order to switch the option is to tap on the one you'd like to set. Right now we've got this option applied, it is highlighted, so let me pick 4K for example, and as you can see right now it is activated, it is highlighted, so it means that from now on your device will record videos in chosen quality and resolution. So actually this is it. This is how to change the resolution in your Xiaomi Redmi Note 90. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.